Do you think the only thing gum is good for is blowing bubbles? Wrong! Let the bubblegum challenge begin! We are broadcasting live right from the bubblegum factory. Breaking news! Nikki Bonka is doing her incredible bubblegum challenge. Find one of 3 invitation tickets and take part in this year's chewiest event. Penny's so bored, and here's a great opportunity to have fun. I need to find this invitation. Whatever it takes. Penny's back from the store. Wow, that's a lot of groceries. So much gum. But she needs just the special one. Oh, there it is! She found the secret sign. Yay! I'm in! Now we need to shake Mary up a little. This girl can't imagine her life without Instagram. And this is something new. A bubblegum challenge? That's what I need. Mary doesn't like to go shopping. All the necessary items will be delivered by her personal manager. Oh, here he is. Just in time. Let's see what we got. Okay, there's no sign here. Not that one either. Here comes luck. The ticket! You need to post it on Instagram immediately. Hashtag bubblegum challenge. Oh, I'm so excited! And here's another bored, sad person.
Oh.
Charlie obviously doesn't know what to do. Then fate gives him a sign. Here it is. A bubblegum challenge? It must be for a reason. But it takes money to buy gum. And what's in your pockets is clearly not enough. That's sad. What if you asked a higher power for help? Oh, please, please, please! Whoa! Well, how can you not believe in miracles? The challenge is coming! I can't believe it! It's not a trick. Today is definitely my day. Okay, everyone is in place. It's time to move to the miracle room. The challenge is starting, guys. Oh, what's this? A whole box of Love Is gum. And it's all ours. So, what are we waiting for? Haha, these 3 look like little hamsters. That's what greed can do to you. You are already done? Eating that much gum in seconds takes special skills. Now let's see, who has more gum behind their cheeks? Looks like Charlie does. Victory! The challenge continues. This time the assignment is in the form of lollipops with gum inside. First, you have to take the package off the lollipop. Got it! The countdown starts. Who's going to be the fastest to take care of a Chupa Chups? The guys are using all sorts of ways to get rid of the lollipop as soon as possible. And everyone has a different approach. Oh, where's the gum? Looks like Charlie has some kind of superpower. 'Cause he's winning again. Well, that's okay. The game's not over yet. We'll see who wins. Now this is interesting. Let's see how good our heroes are with chopsticks. Let's go! The challenge is to move the gum pieces as quickly as possible. From a shared plate into your own container. Here comes the winner. How did she do that? She is so happy that she doesn't even care about her competitors. Get over it already. I won fair and square. The friends are having fun, and they are already bored without a new task. Oh, finally! Now Mary's not empty-handed either. Here comes Penny's share. It's time to check out our contestants' building talents. Building a tower out of gum is not as easy as it looks. What a stressful task! Gum Jenga is a very unstable concept. One wrong move and all your effort is wasted. Mary decides to cheat and uses gum cement. Hopefully no one notices. so her tower is growing up, while the others are falling apart. Who's the best? Mary wins this round. Though, of course, it's not very fair. It's okay, the next assignment will show who's actually the best. You need to move gumballs with a drinking straw. Looks like the contestants are really serious. The system is really simple. Suck air through the tube, pull up the ball, and move it to your plate. Looks like Mary has a good chance of winning. Fairly this time. One ball left. Well, who will get it? Penny! And she has the most gum! Yay! I'm back on top! Come on, Charlie! Stop it! This is no time to relax. Welcome to the next stage of the challenge. Each participant gets a paper cup. The goal is to catch as much gum as possible using the cup. Fast reflexes and agility are the keys to success. So, let's see. Who has the most pieces? Penny's got 3, but she's not the winner. Charlie is clearly in the lead. Wow, what a catch! And Mary only has 1 ball. Losers! Girls, don't get upset. You still have a chance to win. How about we do that right now? You'll have to do the next task without using your hands. Okay, there are 3 rolls of gum in front of the contestants. Who's going to be the first to tackle this super long gum? Their jaws are working so hard. Mary's going forward. Yay! Victory! And Penny and Charlie look very tired. You bet! You have to get some energy after this difficult task. What if we had a contest for the biggest bubble? That's a great idea! After all we have been through, that's gonna be easy. But for some reason, Penny's the one with bad luck, and Mary's already blown a huge bubble. Wow! How is she even doing that? This is unbelievable! But it doesn't last long. What an explosion! Now everything is covered in sticky gum! Ew! So, are you bored again? Take this! Let's see who can hold more gum in their mouth. Okay, let's go! It's easy at first. Keeping 2 pieces in your mouth is harder. What about 3? It takes a lot of effort. But it looks like the contestants aren't going to stop. This is a good workout. People who like to eat tall burgers know what we are talking about. On package 6, the girls have to stop. So, who has the biggest mouth? Looks like Charlie does. Oh, wow! He stuffed so much in the sides. That one was too much. Okay, I'm tired. Here comes the end of the challenge. Welcome to our brave participants. The contestants are getting the Grand Prix. What? Gum again? The interview doesn't seem to be happening. All their thoughts are full of the giant ball. The founder of the Nikki Bonka Challenge wants to shake hands with the participants, but they don't want to. That's an insult. Journalists, let's go. Wow, where did they go? Now you just need to figure out how to split this giant gum into 3. Just don't get in a fight. That's enough gum for everyone. Do they still have the strength to work their jaws? Look at these predators. Oh man, the bubble burst. What's inside? It's a nice thick filling. It's so cosmic. And as usual, at the most interesting moment, it's time to get back to reality. Would you like to be a part of this bubblegum challenge? Tell us about your favorite gum in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button to keep up with new challenge ideas from Troom Select.